Please subscribe my channel. If you don't want to gain weight or want to lose weight, you should avoid any beverages that contain calories. Compared to solid meals, liquid calories rarely curb your appetite. Smoothies, if made with the right components, can significantly reduce weight. They are also beneficial to your overall wellness and can be used for long-term weight control. There are several healthy organic choices of ingredients for making smoothies. You may choose from a dozen combinations of specific fruits and vegetables that have no added sugar or juice. Smoothies should also be made with nutritious ingredients such as non-fat dairy milk and soy milk. Many people think that just because your blender is packed with juicy fruits and vegetables, they don't impact your weight. Fruits and vegetables have different amounts of calories. Smoothies, including green smoothies, can cause weight gain if the ingredients are not well picked. You should make home smoothies after doing enough research on the impact of each ingredient on your health. Here are a few mistakes people make when making smoothies. Adding sweeteners. Adding sugars to make your smoothie taste better will counter your weight loss plans. On the other hand, additional calories will make you add more weight. A tablespoon of maple syrup or honey carries over 60 calories, which you can substitute by adding naturally sweet fruits and vegetables. You should substitute sweetened milk, fruit juices, and yogurts with unsweetened milk like soy and almond. Choice of fruits and vegetables. As said earlier, choosing fruits and greens should be done carefully. The primary point of choosing a smoothie diet is because you can combine vegetables and fruits with low calories as alternatives to regular meals. It is recommended that you use 1 or 2 kinds of vegetables or fruits to monitor your calorie intake. You should also know the amount of calories in each fruit before consumption. A healthy smoothie should have no more than 300 calories. Not adding fiber. Fiber is one of the most significant components to include in your diet during weight loss. Like protein, it fills your stomach and prevents you from feeling hungry. There are a few fruits that offer fiber, but you must pick the right ones. Fruits like bananas, apples, and strawberries have up to 4 grams of fiber. At least 10 grams of fiber in your smoothie is healthy. Fiber-rich vegetables include kale, kiwi, and avocado, among others. Not adding protein. You need energy from meals to sustain you throughout the day. Though your green smoothie might be rich in nutrients, you need protein to prevent you from craving for high-calorie snacks. At least 10 grams of protein in your smoothie is healthy. Protein-rich foods include soy milk, regular milk, yogurt, protein powder, etc. Too many ingredients. Sipping on a cold green smoothie is much healthier than downing a burger. However, filling your blender with several fruits could end up making a smoothie with 500 calories. The body metabolizes natural sugars from fruits quickly, leaving you hungry an hour later. To avoid this, you should know which fruits to pair with other fiber and protein sources such as kales, nuts, and milk.